Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your baby girl here as always, Mom and K. Yes, welcome back to the channel, guys. I've really missed you guys. Please, if you're a new subscriber, you're highly welcome to the family. My name is Blessing, and yes, I make videos on motherhood, lifestyle, baby recipes, relationship. And so yes, this video is actually on how to fade stretch marks. So do you have stretch marks and you've tried everything and it's not going, like it's not fading away, it's not just going? So please, this video is for you because I made a very detailed research on how to fade stretch marks. So if this is a video you are interested in seeing, please sit back, relax, and enjoy. But while doing that, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Let's dive right in, guys. Okay, so guys, actually I received a very disturbing DM. Like, will I say, in this part of the world, why is it that people tend to attribute things like, because stretch mark, it's not all stretch mark that is gotten from bleaching creams or gotten from cream. And if you're my subscriber, because don't body shame anybody. Please, in this present state we are in, depression, please don't add to it. Because don't add to it. So I made my research. Yes, I'm going to drop tips on what have worked for people, what worked for me, and I know you're coming back to testify. First of all, I'll be dividing this this video into two. Actually, I have, should I call it the internal factor and the external factor? Yes, the external, what you can rub on the stretch mark, and the internal, what you can take in. So that is just it. So let's start with the external factor. So external factor number one, I would highly recommend snake oil. Yes, snake oil. You can get it if you're in Nigeria. You can get it from Jumia. You can get it from Amazon. So yes, snake oil is very, very good. I've researched about it, and I'm made to understand that it's very good for stretch marks. It removes stretch marks. So please, you can try that. You can just read it up. Snake oil. It's highly, highly good for stretch mark. And tip number two, I'll be talking of dried plantain. Yes guys, you heard me right, dried plantain. So if you have a plantain, you can actually dry it and you can blend it to a smooth paste, and then you mix it with your shea butter. This tip, guys, you can apply it morning and night. I've carried out my research, and yes, this tip is very, very good for stretch mark. Like, it will help to fade away the stretch mark. So you can just do it and thank me later. So yeah, tip number three, we're talking about olive oil and coconut oil. Actually guys, I use the olive oil, you know, during pregnancy they'll tell you not to scratch. Guys, it's not easy. It's not easy. So please, if you want to get pregnant or you're pregnant and you want to prevent stretch marks, especially on your tummy, please always apply olive oil. If you like the castor oil, because some persons they apply castor, some persons apply coconut. Actually, I myself applied olive oil on my tummy. Please don't wait until you're 5 months pregnant before you can do this. You can start even from the day you found out that you're pregnant. Please always try to massage the oil into your tummy. This one is very safe. It's very safe, but will I say the castor oil, it's very good. So if you can lay hands on castor oil, you can actually use it. You can just mix it, olive oil, castor, or olive oil and and coconut oil. And yes, there's this other tip I researched on. They call it the sugar scrub. I don't know, I think pregnant women, you shouldn't try that, but for some other, as in the stretch mark where you get on the arm and on your thighs, you can actually try that. So the scrub it consists of sugar and lemon. So actually you can just mix it together and you just use it as your scrub, just like you have your face scrub and everything. So you can actually use it there, and you can actually massage it into your body. You can just do it morning and night, just massage it into your body and it. So I just think, see, in this video, one factor must work for you. One must work for you. So we are done with the external factors. Okay, so we'll be moving on to the internal factors, and it consists of several fruits. So we'll be starting with number one, vegetables. So please, it's highly good to take vegetables once you have stretch marks, or once you want to prevent stretch marks. So it's highly good, because vegetables, it has some abundance of skin ingredient that is good for the skin, to help lock in the moisture of the skin. So you should try to eat lots and lots of vegetables. So that is number one for the internal factor. So number two, we have sweet potatoes. Guys, this sweet potato, it contains vitamin A that is actually very good for the development of new skin cells. So please, if you have stretch mark, you should consider eating sweet potatoes, and it can also help to diminish the stretch marks. That is for tip number two. Guys, tip number three, we have tomatoes. And tomato, they contain vitamin C, which in turn has collagen in them. Collagen is very good for the skin. Like, it helps to the skin is elastic in nature, but this collagen helps it to be strong. So actually, tomatoes, they are very good for stretch marks. So you should consider that, eating tomatoes. Either you add it to your food, fresh tomatoes actually, or you just eat it like that. It contains collagen. It's very rich in collagen, and collagen is very good for the skin. So that is tip number three. And tip number four, we're talking about eggs. Guys, eggs, they are very high in protein, very high in protein, and collagen, they are formed from protein. So yes guys, collagen is very necessary for the skin. So you should just consider eating that. Eggs, tomato, they all contain collagen. And the next tip, which is the last tip, we're talking about water. Guys, I cannot overemphasize on this. You should try to always stay hydrated. Like, drink enough water, because it works in the tissues, it works underneath the skin and everything. So guys, that is it. I know that one of these factors, just try any of it. One of it should work. Like, one of it must work. So that is just it. That is the end of our video. I just hope this video is very helpful to you. Please try it and give me your testimony, give me your feedback. I would like to know your feedbacks and everything, and please share it to anyone that is in need of it. Because don't be stingy. Please, subscription is free. Please subscribe to my channel. It's very free. Please share, like, comment, tell me what you think about this. I just hope this video is very helpful to you guys, and that is just, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, love you. Mwah.